Hey, welcome back to the channel, everyone. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you're always in the loop on ways to level up your finances. Today, we're going to keep the momentum going with another 10 tricks to save money fast. So grab your notebook or get ready to take notes because these tips are guaranteed to help you stash away some serious cash in no time. Let's jump right in. 1. Ditch brand names. When it comes to groceries, household products, and even beauty items, you'd be amazed at how much money you can save just by switching from name brand products to store brands or generic options. A lot of the time, the quality is pretty much the same. You're just paying for the name. Next time you're at the store, challenge yourself to pick up the store brand instead of the big name labels. You'll save 20% or more without even noticing a difference in quality, and your wallet will thank you. 2. Use coupons and discount codes. I know. Coupons might feel old school, but hear me out. Coupons and online discount codes can save you a surprising amount of money, especially on big-ticket items or frequent purchases. Before you check out at your favorite online store, always search for a discount code. Websites like Honey or Rakuten are perfect for finding the latest deals. And if you're in a store, don't be shy to ask if they have any discounts or promotions going on. Every little bit adds up. 3. Avoid bank fees. Bank fees are a sneaky way that money can disappear from your account each month. Overdraft fees, ATM withdrawal fees, maintenance fees, it all adds up. First, make sure you're keeping an eye on your account balance to avoid overdrafts. Then, look for a bank or credit union with no monthly fees and use ATMs within your network to avoid withdrawal charges. It's a simple shift, but over time, it can save you a lot of money that you can be using elsewhere. 4. Reduce utility costs. Here's a tip you might not have considered. Reducing your utility bills can actually save you a lot more than you think. Start by turning off lights when you're not using them, unplugging electronics, and using energy-efficient appliances. Also, consider switching to energy-saving bulbs, adjusting your thermostat by a few degrees, and using fans instead of AC when possible. Small changes like these can add up to significant savings on your monthly utility bills. 5. Sell unused items. Take a good look around your house. How many things do you have that you no longer use or need? Instead of letting that stuff collect dust, turn it into cash by selling it. You can use platforms like eBay, Poshmark, or Facebook Marketplace to sell clothes, electronics, furniture, and more. Not only will you make some extra money, but decluttering your space will give you a sense of accomplishment and motivation to keep saving. 6. Swap or share services. If you have a skill or service to offer, like graphic design, tutoring, babysitting, or even car maintenance, consider swapping services with someone else instead of paying for them. There are also online communities and local Facebook groups where people trade services. This way, you can get what you need without spending any money. It's a win-win situation. You get to save, and you might even discover new ways to save in the future. 7. Take advantage of free activities. We all love a good night out, but it can get expensive when you're constantly going to concerts, movies, or restaurants. Here's a great trick. Look for free or low-cost activities in your area. Check out free museum days, outdoor events, or community festivals. You'd be surprised at the cool things you can do without paying a cent. Plus, spending time with friends and family without breaking the bank is always the best. 8. Stop paying for expensive coffee. Let's face it, those daily trips to Starbucks or your favorite coffee shop can really add up. A $5 latte may seem small, but over the course of a month, that's $150. And that's $1,800 a year. Cut back by making coffee at home or even investing in a good thermos to take your brew with you. You'll still get your caffeine fix, but at a fraction of the price. Imagine what you could do with that extra $1,800. 9. Refinance your loans. If you have student loans, a mortgage, or even credit card debt, refinancing could be a game changer. By refinancing, you might be able to lower your interest rates, which means you'll pay less over time. Do some research on refinancing options for your specific loans and reach out to your lender to discuss possibilities. It might take a little time, but this could save you thousands of dollars in the long run. And who doesn't love saving big? 10. Be a smart shopper. Wait for sales shopping is a fun activity, but if you're not careful, it can quickly turn into an expensive habit. Instead of buying things on impulse, become strategic about your purchases. Always wait for sales events like Black Friday, end-of-season clearances, or holiday discounts. You can also sign up for store newsletters to receive alerts about upcoming sales or exclusive coupons. Planning your purchases around these discounts means you're getting the best deals possible and avoiding full-price purchases whenever you can. And there you go. Another 10 tricks to save money fast. These might seem like small changes, but trust me, they all add up. Whether it's cutting out the daily coffee run or taking a closer look at your subscriptions, these tweaks will help you keep more money in your pocket and build up your savings faster than you think. The key to saving money quickly is staying consistent and being mindful about how you're spending. The more you pay attention to where your money is going, the more you'll find opportunities to save. And hey, every little bit counts, right? If you enjoyed these tips and feel motivated to start saving, hit that thumbs up and share this video with someone who needs a financial boost. And of course, make sure you're subscribed for more money-saving hacks and personal finance tips. Keep saving, keep hustling, and I'll see you in the next video.